Do you want to become a Google Ads expert, creating powerful campaigns that drive results for businesses and building a career that's both lucrative and fulfilling? If so, I'm here to tell you that this goal is absolutely achievable. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can make this happen. I'm Dan Kabakov, founder of Online Labs. After a decade of work with Google Ads, I'm excited to announce our Google Ads Masterclass. We will start with fundamentals, covering the Google Ads ecosystem and setting up your first campaign. You'll learn essential keyword research strategies, master the art of compelling ad copywriting, and understand various campaign types from search to performance max. Then we'll dive into advanced targeting options, exploring audience segmentation and remarketing strategies. You will learn how to optimize bids, manage budgets effectively, and leverage different tools for deeper performance insights. In the advanced modules, we'll push your skills to the max. You'll conduct a comprehensive account audit, develop data-driven optimization plans, and explore cutting-edge features like Google Ads scripts and automated rules. We'll also cover industry-specific strategies and prepare you for the growing role of AI in Google Ads, ensuring you're ready for the future of digital advertising. First of all, let's be clear, there is no magic formula. It's not about innate talent, it's about simple yet powerful process. And the process is this: you learn valuable in-demand skills, and the more skills you have, the more valuable you become. So the first step is skills, but learning skills isn't enough on its own. You need to practice them over and over. This is the second step: actually doing the work, running real campaigns for yourself or your clients, and learning from both successes and failures. The third crucial moment is getting expert feedback. Having experienced professionals review your work, point out areas for improvement, and guide you towards best practices can accelerate your learning exponentially. In the age where social media is filled with promises of overnight success, it's important to understand that real, lasting success in Google Ads comes from consistent effort over time. Remember, success in Google Ads isn't about finding a shortcut. It's about building a solid foundation of skills and knowledge. And that's exactly what I'm here to help you do. Join me and let's work together to turn your dreams into reality. I'll see you inside the program.